Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going on a corporate event, so we're just gonna do touch-ups for some ladies. I'm gonna be on hair and we have other artists doing makeup. So I wanted to show you how I organize my hairstyling kit. So this is the bag that I use for my hairstyling kit. This is Steve Madden. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. It's super cute. I love this style of bag that just opens up like this. You got tons of pockets, and you got pockets outside, over here on the inside, and also on the sides as well. And I just like the size because it's so small and it's really deep. You can literally throw everything in here, which is exactly what I do. And then once you're done with your shoot, with your work, you throw everything back in here and then you go home and clean it, or you go on to your next client. So I have a cape here in this outside pocket, or the inside pocket. I don't have anything on the outside pockets yet. If anything comes up, or if there's anything that I need to put in here, I don't know, receipts or whatever for business, that goes here. And on the inside, I've got bobby pins just in case someone needs their hair pinned. I'm gonna take all this out. So hair dryer, and I know my hair dryer is massive. I am very aware of that. I know it says rose water, but it's actually just water, so just a spray bottle if someone needs a nice blowout. And I have a small hairbrush for someone with shorter hair or maybe curlier hair. And I just grabbed a medium-sized hairbrush as well. This is Olivia Garden, my favorite. It's excellent. My wet brush. And this is a densifying root lifter. Everybody wants volume. Everybody loves volume. This is a shine spray from Chi. See how much it holds? Like, it holds so much stuff. This is texture spray from Redken, Wax Blast. I like it for texture. I've got some more brushes in here. This is good for anyone who has really short hair and they just want a volume. If there's a guy who just wants a little pompadour. And this is a smoothing brush by Kevin Murphy, my favorite. It is a boar brush. And this is my flat iron wrapped with the heat mat. And I have two sizes of curling iron, so I have the 1 inch and I have the 1 1/4 for beach waves, and these are hot tools. And finally, I have my OSIS hairspray. This is a stronghold. I like it. It's really nice. It's easy to brush through, so it's not actually like too sticky. And then, so that's it. I just kind of like throw everything in. The first thing actually that goes in is usually my hairdryer, because it takes up the biggest space. And then water, sprays, only 2 sizes of brushes. I don't need more than that. And just pins. I never use these. And I also have this thing. So this I got from Rexall, from a drugstore, and I have a ton of stuff in here. I've got a serum. This is where I put all of my products, all the smaller size products. So I have a detangler, I have my Kevin Murphy pomade, I have a hair gel, I have some hair ties, defrizz. I actually never use this one, so I'm gonna take this out. This is Redken Frizz, Anti-Frizz. It's a really, really good one. I just never really use it. And I have this for roots if somebody has, I had someone who had alopecia once, so that was really a good product to cover that. And a boar brush for flyaways. This is nice if someone wants a really sleek look. It's actually a beard brush, but it's great for that. And I also have powder puff, which is just a volumizing powder for their roots. Here I have my Topic. This is from the dollar store. I love this little packet from the dollar store. Topic plus pins, combs, tail combs, toothbrush, boar brush, the teasing brush in here. I have elastics if someone wants a braid or anything like that. And then I have my crocodile clips. I need those. So a lot of companies have this type of bag. I know Samsonite has one, but I got this for $40 on Facebook Marketplace. It was used, and I just cleaned it up. Oh, there you go. So I just stuffed this in here. And it has this little handle as well, so when I'm going downstairs, up the stairs, I can still carry it like this, or we can move it. That's it. It says Steve Madden. What I want to do is I'd love to have my logo here and just brand it so that everybody knows I do hair and makeup and they can call me. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's how I organize my hairstyling kit. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. You can follow me on Instagram, Lina's Makeup and Hair. And I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.